Solving trigonometric equations in a given interval. To cosine squared x minus cosine x minus 1 equals 0, we need to find all solutions in the interval 0 to 2 pi, which is actually one period. So this trigonometric equation is quadratic, so which is comparable with a trinomial in algebra. So assume that a is cosine x. So I'm getting 2a squared minus a minus 1 equals 0. So this is a trinomial. You can factor it. So I can show you one way, like 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Get the factors. We need negative 1 and negative 2 and positive 1. So then one method is like, you can say a minus 2 and then a plus 1. And since we have a leading coefficient, we divide here by 2 and multiply here by 2. So this is one known method of factoring, which gives me a minus 1 times 2a plus 1 equals 0, which is a equals 1, 2a equals negative 1. So that means a is negative half. So you need to be good in factoring. Other way, you can say 2a squared minus a minus 1 equals 0. So since I have got negative 2 and 1, so I can do like this, 2a squared minus 2a plus a minus 1 equals 0. Just taking factors from these choices. Now you can group it. First factor out 2a, you get a minus 1 plus 1, a minus 1 equals 0. So this is a minus 1 times 2a plus 1 equals 0. So you have seen same way we have found. So you should be good in factoring first. So then we are getting now, if we replace a by cosine x, so we have found cosine x equals 1. And another one is a is negative half. So that means cosine x is negative half. So we are looking for the solutions. Now you know cosine 0 degree is 1, and also cosine 2 pi is 1. So we got solutions x equals 0 and 2 pi. And now we are looking for cosine x is negative half. So you can start thinking of reference angles. First of all, cosine x is 1/2 where it is. So we know that the angle must be pi by 3, which is 60 degree. Cosine 60 is 1/2. But we are looking for negative. So that means my solutions will be in quadrant 3 and it will be in quadrant 2 with the reference angle pi by 3. So now my x will be pi minus pi by 3 for this angle here, and pi plus pi by 3 for the third quadrant. Pi plus pi by 3. So now you can list your solutions. You got x equals 0. You got pi minus pi by 3, which is 2 pi by 3. Pi plus pi by 3, which is 4 pi by 3. And we have written another is 2 pi. So these are all 4 solutions I have for this trig equation. I hope you have understood. I'll take another one, little different. Another example where we have 36 cosine squared x minus 1 equals 0. We want to solve this problem. So what we need, first solve for cosine x. So we are solving for cosine x. We have 36 cosine squared x is 1. Then cosine squared x will be 1 over 36. And then cosine x will be plus or minus 1 over 6. Now we are taking our reference angle for this one, so that we have cosine x is 1 over 6 in the first quadrant. So then this is not standard with our 0, 36, sorry, 30 degree, 45, 60, 90 degree. That's why we are just taking x equals cosine inverse 1 over 6, or you can say arc cosine 1 over 6. So this angle is here. Since I have a plus or minus, So I'll collect all other 3. This is very straightforward. So you got 1, x equals arc cosine 1 over 6. So the next one will be pi minus arc cosine 1 over 6. Then you will have pi plus arc cosine 1 over 6. And then the fourth one will be 2 pi minus arc cosine 1 over 6. We are done.